Well, hello, class. This week, I would like you to pay particular attention to the strategic plan. The strategic plan in an organization essentially represents the core values of the company and supports the organizational mission in a big way. But the strategic plan basically is the roadmap that defines your long and short term goals. Now, in the strategic plan, the master plan, it's usually on paper and it's in the planning stages of the company where they want to go forward, mostly from a theoretical perspective. It's practical, but it's only holding all things constant while the planning is getting done. In other words, the internal and external environment of the organization are always changing. And internally, we have to adapt to the changes in the external environment. If that doesn't happen, we will quickly go out of business. Our competition will be on our tail. And it's very important to understand that. How important are the goals and objectives that we set in order to accomplish our strategy? And in the process, there is short-term goals that basically are in line with long-term goals. And in this particular section, you get familiar with the different stages of the organization. In the strategic end of things, in the hierarchy, that's where all the planning takes place. Usually, vision, mission, and strategic plan are mapped out in that area. In the central area, or the tactical area, that's where a lot of the long-term planning is supported by short-term goals. In other words, if you have a long-term plan that goes out 5, 7, and 10 years, the short-term or the 1 to 3 year goals are the ones that support that long-term plan. And these are the things that are petered down, these short-term goals, to the day-to-day functioning, which is the operational part of your organization. So you have strategic, tactical, and operational. So in this particular week, it's really important that you get this down because setting goals and objectives incorrectly would be like going on a trip without a roadmap.